Ay, welcome back to another kilig day, mga gigilz. Thank you for being enthusiastic. I'm Stephanie Liandado nga pala. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo? Chewy! Magka-comeback ka na, Chewy? Ang ganda mo dun sa trailer mo, Chewy. Share ko lang? Ayaw pa ako! Ayaw pa ako ngayon! Guess what came in the mail today? These nuts.
These nuts? Got him! Got him!
Anyways, are you guys ready? Because I'm not. Chewy, ready ka na? Come here, come here, come with me. Halika dito. Ready ka na? You guys know what this is naman, diba? We're gonna open it, obviously. After I open this, tatawagan natin yung mga taong naging nasa vlog ko dati. Mga taong nasa... people that were in my vlogs, or people that were in my past vlogs. Tatawagan natin sila, and then we're gonna show them, and then thank them, and then all that, and yeah. You get the point. Yeah. Wait, let me get the scissors.
Oh my goodness!
Ito na. Ay, hindi pa pala. Huwag mag-assume. Dapat siguraduhin mo. Facts. Is this your toy? What is this? Alam ko meron din. YouTube creators accomplish. British accent. Subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big. Susan Wojcicki, CEO YouTube. Here, smell it. Smell it.
Oh, it smells good.
It smells good.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Ang gulo ng kama ko sa likod. Ayos lang. Chewy, you wanna eat this? Joke lang. Joke lang. I love you. I can see myself. Ang pangit ko. Parang ayoko binyagan. Kasi if I touch, I already touched it. Wow. Sobrang clear. Okay, after I call some people, that's when I'm gonna talk. So, tawag muna tayo. So, tatawag na tayo. And first person... Ayan na, may notes ako. First person na tatawagan natin. Teka. Si Crush ng bayan nyo. Hello, Christian?
Yeah, what's up?
Show your face.
Why?
Hurry up, I'm filming. I gotta tell you something real quick.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Dang, you look tired.
Yeah, I got like lots of AP classes. Yeah.
But
Yeah, I'm putting work.
I gotta tell you something.
What?
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Tell me some Tagalog words that I taught you though. Do you still remember?
Mahal kita.
Uh-huh.
Mahal ko kayo.
Uh-huh.
Marupok.
Uh-huh.
What's this stuff?
But look at this.
Hey!
I know!
Finally came in.
I got it
Wow.
today. I
That's
cannot.
awesome.
I know. You can see yourself, huh?
Uh-huh. Congratulations.
Oh my god, my god.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks. You're in like plenty of my videos, so you're like the
I know.
first guy I called. First
Alright.
person. Feels
When did it
special,
come in?
right? Huh?
When did it come in?
Today. Now I'm just
I've been
playing.
doing homework since I got home and I had PT practice after school.
Oh,
so-
PT. Oh.
Yeah. I just haven't gotten a chance to relax or nothing. Peace.
Alright, bye.
Alright. Bye.
Okay, next person. Next person. Hindi ko alam kung nasan to eh. Para try natin tawagan. Ayun. Tingnan natin kung saan pa tayo wag. Baka nasa trabaho to. Hindi sumasagot. Lagot. Ay, hindi sagot. Ah, I know who to call. Ay, baka nagagawa to ng homework eh. Tingnan natin ah. Yung...
Bida-bida.
You're gonna answer, right? Hi! Hello?
Bakit?
Ma, nasa ka?
Nandito sa baba.
Saan?
Sa baba.
Oh. Hello?
Nagluluto.
Ano? Sabi ka?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Nagluluto ng sinigang.
Ha? Ma, laksa mo nga. Ano? Ano pa, ma?
Itong isda.
Oh. Asan? Anong ginagawa mo?
Nagkikisa.
Ba't nagagalit ka? I'm just asking what you're doing.
Nagkikisa nga. Nagkikisa. Istorbo ka. Nagluluto.
Ano niluluto mo?
Ay, ewan.
Asa si Papa? Ha? Hello? Hello, Ma? Ma? Hello?
Snobber ka naman, famous ka na ha?
Buti ka pa walang ginagawa. Ako may ginagawa. Nagluluto. Tapos nagluluto.
Ma!
Ala mo kaya?
Ma! Ma! Tang masaway. Nasa laptop kita kasi. Kaya
Tawagan kay bang.
nasa laptop kita tinawagan.
Ay, ganon. Pero choppy yata eh.
Ano?
Choppy?
Ha? Wait, ano?
Choppy.
Ah, choppy. Choppy?
Choppy ba?
Ah, konti.
Ano pala?
Konti lang. Pa!
Bakit? Ah,
Anong ginagawa mo?
dito, lapit ko. Kakain na. Halika na.
Ano kakainin?
Sinigang.
Ha? Teka, chop. Ano?
Sinigang.
Ano?
Sinigang na ano, baboy. Naiiwain ako yung talong.
Ah, talong. Ma! Pa! Tignan mo to.
Ano ba daw yun?
Tignan mo to.
Ay! Ano na? Ay!
1, 2, 3.
Joke lang.
1, 2, talong. Joke lang. Hello?
Hello?
Brendan, where you at?
The gym? Oh, shit. I saw 100K.
Ay, share ko lang, Brendan. Share ko lang. Share ko lang. You see your face? Oh my god.
The other one.
Oh, that's 1 million. I'll try. We'll try.
Hey,
We'll try. Soon. Ay,
Alright.
tawagan ulit natin si Baba. Hindi na sasagot to.
Pwede ba sa mga? That's a Panginoon na.
Okay.
1, 2, matingin! 3!
Ay! Dumating na.
Oh, happy oh.
Galing ah. Dapat may ano ka dyan, yung mag-video ka dyan na nakuha ka dyan. Oo! Mag-ano ka na.
Ninilala.
Mag-focus ka na dyan. Logo ka. Galing ah.
Mag-ana?
Ano eh? Stephanie Andado?
Ba't nag-iba yung mukha mo kagad? Nakasmal, tas nakagan. Hello?
Ate mo yan?
Kita niya sa mukha. Ano ba? Hats.
Baby, I don't wanna standing ma.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin, ngunit ang ika'y yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Nanais ko mapalapit sa'yo.
Kaya salamat sa pag-ibig mo. Pag-ibig mo, lagi kang nasa puso't isip ko. Isip ko. Huh? Okay, so I have my routines on. Share ko lang. Pero what the other YouTubers say, because it's true, I'm gonna say dito din, that I wouldn't get this, or like the numbers of subscribers without the people, the audience that subscribes to my channel. Diba? It still hasn't synced in 100% na fully. Pero here's a little story. That one video na sobrang nag-pop, yung what Americans think about Filipinos. I just did it for fun. I just did that video for fun. And then, boom. It just tumabog. Parang ako ngayon sabog. Yun ba yun? Yun ba yung term na yun? Sabog? She's talking. Thank you daw. Oh, thank you. Ano pa? Oh, tapos. Oh. Most of you guys are saying that my videos are making you guys happy when you guys are like stressed, unhappy, or like even bored. That's just one of my purpose to why I make videos, diba? Chewy, halika dito. When people ask me like, what do you want to be when you grow up? Or what do you want to do? I just say, I want to help people. Period. Just by making videos, that's one way. Puti ka, Chewy, inano mo, in-scratch mo yung salamin ko. Just by making videos, I just try to give out the positive vibes.
All happy.
Okay, like for sure.
Shout out kay Jed Morgenstern. Oh yeah. Kalimutan ko. Wait lang. Comment down your best pickup line. Cheesy, your best, your kilig pickup line sa comment section. Sasabihin natin yung sa random people or strangers na may kita ko. Good night.
너의 그 입술이 바다 같은 너의 그 입술이 내겐 어떤 별보다 이쁘지 너에게로 이어지는 기분이 Can you be my la la